I stole from BYU, the women's team. It's called 3. And we're gonna set up like this. We'll have the 4 here. Again, we're starting above the block always. 5 here. We'll have 2 here and 3. So on this play, 1 will get the ball, and 4 and 2 will kind of set a double pick on 3, and 3 will come around, and we're looking to get her a corner 3 right off the get-go. Now, this is a great option, good first option, but it's not the greatest option that will come, because 3 will come, and after 3 has left, well, like when 3 is right here, 5 will come and set a screen, and 4 will be screening. Really, it's kind of disguised to look like 4 is helping screen 3's man, but really 4 is going to be screening 2's man. So if 2 has a man here, 4 will screen here, 5 will also screen 2's man, 2 will set it up and come to this side, and it should be wide open for a layup. After those 2 double screens have happened, 4 will cut back down toward the block, and 5 will come into the middle for a lob pass if the action to 3 or to 2 wasn't initially open. Again, the first look is to a corner 3, and that's a good look, but the best look that we're looking for is this double pick on 2, where 2 comes to the opposite block for a little layup. So again, that one's called 3.